Hello, Moby the Landy, Boxing Day 2024. Right, I've had a little bit of a play today. Fitted the bulkhead, temporary, which is also earth down. So if anyone's just, so that's all on temporary. Purely because I want to prove all the fuel lines, wiring, everything all works before I make it inaccessible for future when I start putting the bodywork on and so on. So I want to make sure I've got no fuel lines or leaks and so on. So let's give it a go. The battery's not at its best because it's been sat in the barn for nearly a year, so at the moment it's charging. I do have a boost pack on it, so let's give it a little go. So let's turn the ignition on. Let's see what lights we get. Oh, we've got the fuel pumps whirring away. We have got fuel in the tank, and glow plugs are on. There we go. And the fuel pump's whirring away. So let's see if we've got any leaks coming out down here, because there's all the Pioneer 4x4 lines. That all looks good. Around here, it's good. The fuel on the floor is me messing. Spilt it when I opened the jerry can, because I'm an idiot. Right, so we've got anything around here. That's all dry. That's all dry. And look at the pressure switch. Yeah, and that's all dry. And that's all dry. Right. Let's give it a go. Let's see. Nothing. So we'll give it another go. May not have let the fuel prime enough, but we'll give it a couple more goes. I'm still waiting for the radiator from Ali Sports. The lead times have been, they're made to order. It takes long lead times. I haven't ordered it direct from Ali Sports. It's coming from a well-known Land Rover parts provider, and they keep giving me different stories each time I ask them. But they say it's on its way, but they're not giving any lead times, so I can't do much more on the front end at the moment. Seat box is only temporarily fixed because again I've got to pull the wiring out because it's all attached to the bulkhead. I'm going to lift the bulkhead off, and down the far end of the workshop is the new bulkhead. So we'll just let the fuel pump run for a little bit more. So let's give it another go. No joy, we've failed. Well, it won't be a Land Rover, it will work perfectly, will it? I will check the crank sensor. I did make a mistake, and when I took the gearbox off, I forgot to disconnect it because I was doing it all on my own. Like today, I've put the bulkhead on my own, seat box on my own. I do use this 1920s block and tackle crane here, which is in this workshop. I've done the usual thing. Call on friends. It's never about when you want assistance, but it's always the other way around for them. Anyway, right, Moby the Landy signing off. I'm going to have a little play, see what I might find out what's wrong with it. If you've got any ideas as well, please comment, because I do greatly appreciate it. I'm not a mechanic, I'm just a hobbyist like majority of you are. It'd be a nice starting point so that I know it all runs. Plus I want to hear what the demand exhaust sounds like. So there we are. So Moby the Landy signing off, and if I don't do a video before the new year, have a happy new year and catch up with you soon. Take care. Moby the Landy signing off. Bye.